Hello and welcome to section 5, Web Application Vulnerability Enumeration. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We are going to learn about first of all vulnerability enumeration of web application and what is the process. Let's start with the first video, Web Application Assessment Overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to learn about what is Web Application Assessment and what is the process. So if we talk about Web Application Assessment, it means there is a website and there is a pen tester. So pen tester wants to find out the vulnerabilities inside a website. This is a complete process of web application assessment. And how we can find out the vulnerabilities? With the help of web application vulnerability scanners. So there are various scanners available in the market. For example, you can try these scanners like Acunetics Web Vulnerability Scanner, OWASP Zap Proxy and Burp Suite. So these are web vulnerability scanners, and in this section we are going to take a look at these vulnerability scanners.